Hi guys, this is Said Irfan back again with a new video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to go back to home CSC, that is Indian CSC, easily. So people who are on January update, I will show you there is another option to do that. So in the options you can see here, Android security patch level is January 1. So Samsung has disabled lot of USSD codes, so we are not able to go back to CSC. So I will show this step. This step is only for the December patch, people who are on December patch. So first of all, you will need to download Phone by Google. This is a dialer app, so you download this app on your phone, and once you open, you have to set this as a default. It will ask you for that, and after that go to your keypad, and then you have to punch in this number. It is ***272 628 26 #*#. Once you do this, menu will open, that is CSC pre-configuration. So you can select INU if you want to go to India, and then install and directly go back to Indian. And this method will erase all your data, so please keep a backup. I will not be responsible for any of these things. Okay, so this is the first method showing you guys how to go back. There is another method where you can go back to your Indian CSC. Okay, so as you can see, my eSIM is right now inactive. I have given a request to change because I am going to show you guys. So here it is there, but network is not available. So I will show you an easy option in this. So now to go back to your CSC, home CSC, there is another option, that is you have to factory reset your phone. I will show you that. So now as you can see, I am at the factory reset data. So click on it. Once you click on it, all these things, this will go off. If you have a eSIM, then select this if you want to delete, and then I have it, mine is not working anyways because I had given a request for a new eSIM. So it will ask you for factory data, delete and all these things, and for this please hold on for a minute, and it will ask you for all credentials so that you are doing it by yourself. Now the device will wipe itself, and then when you go into the Android setup, we'll continue from there. As you can see guys, my phone is on Thailand, so this is the letters which you see. So I will change it back to English. So once I change it and then do all these things, I think all of you will do this. So I will skip it for now. It's asking me for all these things, and after all these things there will be one pop-up which shows you if you want to have this what is that, if you want to be on the same CSC or you want to change it to another CSC. Let me see that option comes. See, as you can see, primary SIM, this option will pop up on your devices. Select first option and click on OK. So once you do this, it will reboot again back to your recovery, and then wipe all your data, and you will be able to go back to Indian CSC. So it is taking some time for all this process. As you can see, it is back on Samsung logo. I will fast forward this process also for you guys. Okay, so as you can see, it is on erasing, and then I will be back with you when device starts up. So guys, as you can see, starting Android, so we are back to Indian CSC. So let it finish, and I will finish all this setup, and I will show you guys if eSIM is available. I'm not sure if the eSIM will be available. So guys, we have completed our setup, as you can see. So we are back again to Indian CSC. Let me first go to the settings and show you if it is changed. So let me go here and then to the software information, and as you can see, I have I think focus is not happening right now. So as you can see, there is INU. So I'm back to Indian CSC, and let me see if eSIM is available. Okay, so as you can see, eSIM is available in Indian CSC. I don't know how, but mostly because of January patch, I think Samsung has given option for eSIM. That is really good by Samsung if they are providing in for Indian CSCs also. But this is how you can go to any other CSC and get the eSIM option for Indian CSCs also. Okay, this was the main purpose, showing you guys in the video that this is possible, and then I'm able to connect to the network and I'm back to the Indian CSC. Okay, if you guys have any questions regarding any of the things which I'm doing, please feel free to text me, comment on my YouTube channel, or text me on Telegram. I have my Telegram ID in the video description. You can contact me anytime. So we are back again. So now, example, if you want to go back to the CSC, there is an option. I think you guys all know, it is *272, the thing which we did, and then your IMEI number, and we will go back. We will check out that also right now. So I will be punching in my IMEI number to go to change CSC if we are able to do that. So as you can see, pre-configuration is again come back, and you can see INU in it. So I am in INU, so I can change to any other CSCs also, but no need to do because we already have eSIM option enabled in this itself. So this is how you guys can get eSIM option. I hope I'm able to help you better. Please feel free to contact me through various ways. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like the video. And in future, if you need any help with S20 or S20 Plus, whatever phone, these steps will allow your S20 series to get an eSIM. Okay. Thank you guys.